All right, let's get right into it. Over the last year, Google has been quietly doing something pretty incredible. They've taken one of their smaller, more niche tools, NotebookLM, and turned it into an absolute beast. So today, we're going to break down how this AI research assistant evolved into a full-on workspace that honestly might just change the way you work, think, and create.
But first, let's start with a big question. Just imagine for a second, what if your personal AI could do more than just answer your questions? What if you could actually, go out and research complex topics for you, synthesize all that information, and then build entire presentations for you? Well, that's the wild idea we're diving into today.
Because, spoiler alert, that's exactly what happened. In what felt like an overnight shift, NotebookLM underwent this complete transformation. It's not just a handy note-taking app anymore. Not by a long shot. It has become a genuine, powerful, AI-driven ecosystem for research and creation.
Now, to really get how big of a deal this is, we've got to take a quick step back and look at what NotebookLM used to be. You have to see the before picture to really appreciate the incredible after.
So originally, the tool was pretty straightforward. You'd upload your stuff, PDFs, your own notes, that kind of thing, and then you could ask questions about those documents and get back simple text summaries. And look, was it useful? For sure. It was handy. But was it a revolution? Not quite.
And then, everything changed. This is where the first massive, game-changing upgrade comes in. And really, this is the star of the whole show, the thing that completely flipped NotebookLM's identity on its head, the Deep Research Agent.
Okay, so this is not just a souped-up search bar. The key word here is autonomous. You give this thing a topic, and it goes to work. It actually creates its own research plan, it scours the internet for high-quality sources, it cross-checks what it finds, and then it comes back with a fully structured report, complete with citations. It's wild.
And what makes this so incredibly powerful is that it mimics how a real human researcher thinks. It doesn't just fetch links. It plans, it gathers evidence, it synthesizes the information to find the through line, and then it presents its findings. This whole process is why it delivers something that feels less like a search result and more like a professional brief.
And they made it super flexible too. You basically get two different modes. If you just need a quick, high-level overview of something, you hit Fast Research and you get the bullet points. But if you need a comprehensive, almost academic-level deep dive, you flip it to Deep Research and let this agent do all the heavy lifting for you.
So what this really does is turn NotebookLM into a brand new kind of AI teammate. It's not just a piece of software anymore. It's playing real professional roles. It's your research assistant digging up the data, it's your junior analyst finding the patterns, and it's your knowledge synthesizer connecting all the dots.
All right, let's talk about the second pillar of this whole revolution. Because doing the research is only half the battle, right? The real question is, what do you do with it? Well, NotebookLM now has a pretty amazing answer for that. It helps you create.
And the leap here is just enormous. It used to be able to give you these little audio-only summaries of your notes, which was kind of neat. But now it generates entire video overviews. We are talking narrated slides, visual diagrams, key quotes, all automatically pulled from your research and stitched together into a polished video explainer.
And it doesn't just stop with video. With this new Visual Output Studio, you can instantly generate a whole menu of assets. You need a Google Slides deck for that meeting in an hour? Done. A slick infographic for a report? A side-by-side comparison table? It can build all of that on command.
Now this is one of my personal favorites because it just completely changes how you can explore a topic. It can generate these interactive mind maps where every little node is clickable, so you can visually navigate a complex subject, drill down into subtopics, and even ask follow-up questions about one specific branch of an idea. It's incredible. And that really gets to the core of this whole new experience. It's not a passive thing anymore. You're not just reading summaries. The whole platform is now designed to turn research into this active, dynamic, back-and-forth session of thinking and exploration.
Okay, so we've got this powerhouse research agent and this incredible content creation studio. But what's the glue that holds it all together? Well, the final piece of this puzzle was turning NotebookLM into a truly integrated workspace that understands how people actually work.
And a huge part of that meant expanding what it can work with. It can now dig into Google Sheets and do actual data analysis. It can read Microsoft Word docs and, get this, it can even process images, including your messy, handwritten notes. That means way less time spent toggling between a dozen different apps.
And this is the best part. All this power is no longer chained to your desktop. The mobile app got a massive upgrade to match the full web experience, so you can snap a picture of a whiteboard after a meeting or scan your handwritten notes from a brainstorm and bam, it's instantly a source in your project. Your phone literally becomes a research lab in your pocket.
Now, of course, with all this new power comes a new pricing structure. Google rolled out a few subscription tiers. The free tier is still actually really generous. You get 50 sources per notebook. The Plus tier bumps those limits up by 5 times. And then there's the Ultra tier, which is clearly built for serious researchers, enterprise teams, and real power users who need massive scale.
And that Ultra tier is where you see the truly mind-boggling numbers. Let's just focus on this one, 600. That's the ability for the AI to ground its analysis in up to 600 different documents, websites, and data files inside a single project. I mean, that is just an insane amount of context for an AI to work.
So, when you put all of these pieces together, the autonomous research, the instant content creation, the seamless workspace, it becomes crystal clear why this is so much more than just a software update. This is a fundamental change in what NotebookLM is.
It's not just a simple tool anymore. It's a full-blown research engine.
It's a powerful and instant content studio.
And maybe most importantly, it has become a true thinking companion, a partner that actually helps you explore, understand, and create in a totally new way. Which, of course, leaves us with one final, very exciting question. If this is what's possible today, what on earth is coming next?